Very good morning, student. This is third video of the 4 chapters. In this chapters, in the second chapter, we understand the objective of IPR and the role of the public sector. Now, in this unit, we understand the features of industrial policy resolutions of 1956. What are the features? First of understand it, this economic policy reforms, meaning and need of reforms. First of all, set of policy, rules and regulation to achieve economic growth. This was the meaning of these ones. Why do we need the economic reforms? Poor performance of public sector, adverse balance of payment, fall in foreign exchange reserve, huge debit on government also, inflationary pressures, term and condition of World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund, right? And new economic policy NEP features stabilization measure. What are the stabilization measure? Correcting adverse balance of payment, tackling with inflation also, and structural reforms measure, improve efficiency and remove trade restriction also. These are the objective of new economic policy and the feature of new economic policy: stabilization measure and structural reforms, and meaning and needs of new economic policy, right? The feature of industrial policy resolution of 1950 were new classification of industries were classified into 3 schedules depending upon the role of state. Schedule A, 17 industries listed in Schedule A, whose future development would be the responsibility of state, means that is the government. That is called the government sector industries, or we can say public sector industries. Second B, 12 industries were introduced in Schedule B. Private sector could supplement the effort of public sector, with the state taking sole responsibility for starting new units. In the Schedule B, we can see this is the amalgamation of public sector and private sector. Third, Schedule C, other residual industry were left open to private sector. So this is the private sector. So we understand here 3 schedules depending on the role of the state. First is public sector, second is public plus private, and third is that is called residual industries, private sector, right? These were the role of these 3 industries were fixed by the states. Second, state on role of cottage and small industries in this residual industries, right? And other features are industrial licensing systems. Industry in the private sector could be established only through a license from the government, right? And industrial concession were offered private entrepreneur for establishing industry in backward region of the country, such as tax rebate and concession rate for power supply for the private. So these are the open for the private industry too, right? So we understand in this chapter features of industrial policy resolution IPR 1956, right? Thanks for watching this. Have a great day.